Okay, this is a song, there's a little section of the song where I might need your help. And if you could help, that'd be amazing. Think that's okay? Yeah? Alright, it's called Till Morning Comes.
Do you ever think that this will end with your feet tied to the ground and mouths that don't make a sound? Let's go. Do you even know it's there to know you got no place for the ear, and yet you smile from ear to ear? I'm sorry, but I must protest. My sheltered heart can't take the rest. I've been living like the sun, hide from dark till morning comes. Shine a light into those stars, now they don't seem so far. Shine a light into the stars, they really don't seem so far. Yeah. You stare, I wonder if you know I care. I don't know what to say, but I try to say it anyway. You're a dream of most of the things that I have seen, and what would make your day probably just throw away. I'm sorry, but I must protest. My sheltered heart can't take the rest. I've been living like the sun, hide from dark till morning comes. Shine a light into those stars, now they don't seem so far. Shine a light into the stars, they really don't seem so far. Now I know it's not enough to say, oh sorry. Now I know it's not enough to say you care.
Alright, this was that audience participation part I was talking about. Is that okay with everybody? Other than the few people who are here for the purpose of cheering? It goes like this.
Sheltered heart can't take the rest. I've been living like the sun, hide from dark till morning comes. Shine a light into those stars, so now they don't seem so far. Shine a light into the stars, but they really don't seem so far.